Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix there was a problem communicating with Google server. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing a problem with Google communicating, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to check whether your internet connectivity is working properly or not. If you are using a Wi-Fi connectivity, then enable your mobile data and check whether your internet connectivity is working properly or not. If you are using mobile data, just turn off your mobile data and turn on your Wi-Fi and check whether it is working or not. If still it's not working, then tap on the setting. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here apps, just tap on the apps. After tapping the apps, if you find manage app, just tap on the manage app, or if you can see all apps option, just tap on the see all apps option. It depends on your mobile. After that, here you have to find Google Play Store. Just tap on the Google Play Store. Once you need to type on the force stop, click on force stop. After that, you can see here storage and cache, just tap on that. Once you need to clear cache memory. After that, you need to clear on clear storage. After that, tap on OK. Then go back. Here you need to find Google Play services. Tap on the Google Play services. Again, you need to tap on the force stop. Tap on OK. After that, below you can see storage and cache, just tap on that. Here tap on clear cache and tap on clear storage. After that, you can see clear all data, just tap on that and tap on OK. After that, then go back. Guys, after doing this, once you have to restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix problem communicating with Google server. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.